What's good, everybody? It's your girl, Miss Liha. Welcome and welcome back to another episode of my channel.
This one I got you with the jabata. I know get time I cover my face, calling me
As you've already seen the title, your girl is going for a walk. Yes, it's been a while. I went for a walk and I'm going to a particular place I've been before. This will be my third time going there, but the second time I filmed on TikTok, I didn't feel the vibe. Let's hope we can film something better for you guys. So first of all, let's find an outfit. What I know is dress the way you want to be addressed. Yeah, that's the little advice I have for you. So I just finished dressing up and also packing my stuff. What do you like send for walks and all that? Let me know in the comment section, because me personally, when I'm going, I send storybook. Because when the moment I sit down and rest a little bit, I read a page or two, then I just stand up. Let me show you guys what I'm sending. I've taken a picture for Pinterest and yeah, it's aesthetically pleasing. What I'm sending, like this my Stanley, the black one, my headphone, the storybook, my sanitizer, lip balm, and this one, perfume oil. So the bag wouldn't be heavy like that. Let me show you my outfit all today. Okay, so this is the outfit. I'm wearing black top and green shaded tracksuit. I'm wearing black Crocs. I don't know whether you guys can see, but here is it, black Crocs. I'm going for the walk and let's see how it goes. I'm going to show you guys nice places in Kaswa. We are starting from the Rock City. So I'm heading toward the Rock City, so let's see how it goes. Disclaimer. Where I'm going, I swear to God, is far and it's almost 7. I'm targeting to come back like 8:30 because the place is really far and I'm on a target. I want to take like 10k steps, so let's see how well I'll do. Currently on 93 steps. I just checked it and I'll leave it here, but when I reach the 10k too, I'ma show it because that's a progress. I see the progress. I'm sweating already. When I was passing by, I saw a dead poster and that really made me sad, because anytime I see dead posters, even though I'm a graphic designer, I've been doing dead posters and all that, bro, sometimes I feel sad. I'm like, he's gone or she's gone. I don't know how you guys feel about it, but this is my honest opinion. There is a church at my back. As a Christian, if you're not going to church, what are you doing? By the way, my fitness app is not moving and I don't know what to do about it. So let's see. I'm praying that it will, because for me, I've considered this as my first journey. Let's go. But I'm praying that my fitness app starts working because I've started walking. Can see where I'm going, the rock city, but I've not reached anywhere. So let me show you guys where I'm going. You can see the rock over here. So let me I have finally reached my destination. I'm yet to climb the rocks. So let's see how it goes. I feel like it's a silence place and I'm loving it here because when I read the junction over there, the place was noisy. My steps for the fitness app is not working, but the ring is rather working. So I feel like I would rather post that one. So I've reached the rock side. Now social anxiety is even afraid of me because me, I will film wherever I'm going. I'm really tired. I can't even breathe. I don't know whether I should go up. I've been there before. I'm scared, but I still want to go. Anytime I'm climbing, I get scared, but the moment I get there, I'm okay. I'm really tired. I don't know whether I should go up, but maybe like this is okay because at the end of the day, the goal was to reach the rock city and I've reached. So maybe next time they will go down. I'm already seeing on top of people's roofings already and see. Going back home, when I was sitting there, I saw a couple of men come in. I was like, yeah, my last phone, my last everything that is on me, let me just run. So I'm on my way going home in Piasem. I don't want any secondary trouble. So I came back for a very long time, but immediately I get to my room, I received a call from my boss. He was like, he left his key at home, so I'm the only person closer to him that I can give him my key so that I can open the office. So I just came back and I'm tired. I didn't walk out until I walked. So I'm tired. So I'm going to take my shower and we call it a vlog. ending the vlog here. See you in my next video. I'm about to create an Instagram content and my space, my storage. So see you in my next video. Love you. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and let's hit 1K subscribers. Love you.